Hello everybody, I am M.M.Naikwadi advocate from Dharwad. I am practicing at High Court bench of Karnataka at Dharwad. Today I am going to tell you what are the ingredients of the suit. As you know, suit is one of the main proceedings filed before civil courts, and a suit is instituted when plaint is presented before the court. So a plaint with necessary enclosures is to be filed. In my earlier lecture, I have stated about the necessary enclosure, and apart from that, what are the different type of firearms that has to be avoided in the plaint. Already I have mentioned in my earlier lecture. But apart from the paragraphs, there are other necessary ingredients which are to be made in suit depending upon the nature or type of the cases or nature or type of the suits. Here, as you know, pleadings means a statement of facts. A statement of facts about the case of the plaintiff is mentioned in the plaint elements. And regarding evidence, we mean details about such facts. Apart from that, what is required is in different type of suit, a different ingredient has to be compulsorily mentioned. For example, in injunction suit, we have to mention that the plaintiff is in possession of the suit property from the date and time of the possession as on date of the suit he is in possession of the suit property. And secondly, we have to mention in the plaint element that the defendant has obstructed or interfered with the peaceful possession of the plaintiff, etc. Then comes in case of partition suit, we have to compulsory add after the description of the suit property para, we have to add a paragraph regarding genealogy. In one of the case reported in year 1983 Supreme Court, it is stated that genealogies compulsorily must be pleaded in the partition suit. And apart from genealogy, the plaintiff has to mention that he is in joint possession of the property and the nature of the property is ancestral property, joint family property, or self-acquired property. It has to be mentioned. And furthermore, if it is a co-partnership property, it is to be mentioned that he is a co-partner, and details about who is a karta of the family and what he has done. Suppose if he has sold the property as a karta, etc., which is for not legal necessity, certain amendments we have to make in case of partition suit. Then comes in case of specific performance suit, we have to compulsory mention that the plaintiff is ever ready to perform his side or his part of the contract. This is a must. Then comes in case of a suit of fraud nature. So in all civil cases, the criteria for the judgment is depend upon probable cases. That is, preponderance of probability has to be looked. On that basis, the cases are either decreed or dismissed. But in case of a fraud-like nature, it should be proved like a pleaded and proved like a criminal case. So this is an exception. In each and every suit, there is a criteria of preponderance of probability. But in case of a fraud, there must be pleading and proof with regard to the fraud, just like a criminal case. So in criminal case, the criteria of proof is beyond reasonable doubt. That is applied in such suit. Hence, in various type of the suit, necessary ingredients depend upon which each suit lies has to be mentioned. Then only the issues can be framed and evidence can be led and suit can be disposed, either decreed or dismissed, etc. Hence this video, and you are requested to like my video and subscribe my video so that you can get such type of videos in future. Hence this video.